Alright, there's our intro. Oh shit, I lost my dick. There's a tree in my ass. I'm reaching for it.
What's up, guys? We're a Ring Ding Tiggler. Welcome back to a new YouTube video.
This is how you hit your head on a cart.
That felt good.
WAFFLE! So we're on a strict budget of $4.32. So right now we're getting essentials for a nature's sandwich. We got our bread. We're shopping for more ingredients like your strength. But come check this out real quick. Come check this out real quick. Tell me this dude is not like a molester. Just tell me he doesn't.
Excuse me,
I think it's Hitler.
You know what a Viagra is?
He looks like a Hitler molester.
Oh, hello. You know what a Viagra is?
Oh yes, you should be in the wood section.
This is so sweet.
Sorry, you were fast.
What are we doing?
What's it look like?
We just took them all?
Okay.
Oh, maybe you should go bring it back.
Do you work here?
No, I just.
Okay, then. That's all I needed to know.
Really, Skippy? Oh my god, I hate when he freaking runs away. You're gonna get a beating tonight, mister. You're in the wild by Walgreens and surrounded by heroin needles and McDonald's wrappers. We were recently kicked out due to someone getting offended by someone being blind.
We'll post the video later.
See a fucking video. We're gonna be making our sandwich in a while. Nick, you wanna be my little sister?
Yeah,
We need to find some ingredients.
Maybe we could find some crack pipes.
the small ones are like
One, two.
the small ones.
Ooh, nice. A secret box.
No condoms.
Oh, no condoms. Fuck.
But guess what? Let's make it here. Please bring my ingredients.
Come on, assistants. Hurry up.
First, we have our table to build it on. Or actually,
Yeah, this bomb ass dick.
you got a good shot?
This is not a drug deal.
Alright, guys, we're making the meth right here.
Here's our little table. We got our bun and bread. Oh, yeah.
That's the bread.
Got our Skippy.
Are you supposed to get it? Oh, yeah. He caught my attention.
Oh, yeah. Did someone say food reviews?
Oh, that looks nasty.
That looks like a baby's diarrhea.
Yo, can't wait.
Fuck you, I'm gonna eat it. Bro, can you open that for me?
I want the stuff.
We need some more peanut butter.
You gotta leave the flavor.
Oh, yeah.
I want this.
No, he needs a flavor. Give him a little bit of
I need
flavor.
the flavor, bro.
I'll give you a little bit.
We got that. Give me the freaking flavor.
Yo, this is like good food, and I kind of want to eat it.
We got our Nutri-Grain.
That's healthy for you. You need some healthiness, you know, in your body.
Give me half of that.
No, you freaking bum.
You're fat. You're eating the
Yeah,
flavor.
you're fat. Sugar and spice makes everything nice, but I'd rather have sugar.
True, true. Maybe a little bit of pepper. How about some ketchup? Add some ketchup in it.
We got some soy sauce.
You leaving the wrapper in there? Ooh, nice. The train's coming.
We got some more. Gotta get the extra flavor in. And when did ketchup ever hurt anyone?
Huh. Maybe. It looks like blood.
Oh, yeah.
This one's better.
That sandwich looks pretty good, Rocco.
Can I
Pretty
get my
good.
jalapenos? Thank you. You know what?
Oh, some jalapeno juice.
Thank you.
The one that was real bread.
Hey, look, Thomas the Choo-Choo Train's passing by.
Oh. And get ready for our food review.
How does it taste? How was it, Rocco? How was it? And here comes Toretto about to eat the rest, like a fat ass.
God, that was terrible.
How was it? I want to hear your little
I loved it. Pick yours up at the nearest Rocco's
rate 1 to
house.
10. How was it? 10 being the best.
11.
11, nice. Look, we got some faggots running away. And I guess that's it for today.
Yeah, great sandwich. Great honest food reviews. Pick yours up for $29.99.
That's our
Who wants to
creation.
give me some of that?
And stay put for our next video. The Ring Ding Tickler. Sing a song, right?
Out.
Sing a song.
Oh, sing my song. I'm the ring ding tickler, and I'm here to say I love tickling little boys in every way. Come with me to my jamboree. Be you, me, and Kevin Spacey.